Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is safe. In today's video is all about how to make your baby food at home. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can prepare all these vegetables at home for your baby food instead of buying the already made from the store. Yeah, this is organic, this is nutritious, and this is healthy. Trust me, this is very healthy. So if it's your first time of being here, my name is Nlewam Oluchi, aka Peculiar Hair. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. I appreciate you so much. So guys, if you really want to know how I made these vegetables for your baby food at home, please stay tuned as we take it step by step. Please make sure you watch till the end, okay, so that you can get all the details. Yeah, remember not to skip the ad because that's the way you can support the family, okay? Thanks. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. I have potatoes, carrots, green beans. I have unripe plantain, pumpkin of Romania, zucchini, and low-fat beef. Okay, in this case you can use any meat of your choice. Okay, is allowed. Yeah, you can as well add spinach, okay, or any other vegetable of your choice. Please note, if your baby is 8 months old below, don't add spinach, okay? But if your baby is 8 months above, you can add spinach. So as you can see, I've gone ahead to wash and cut them to my desired size, okay? So now it's ready to go inside the pot. Oh yes, make sure you watch till the end, okay? At this point you can choose which one goes in first, okay? For me, I prefer the green beans first, then followed by the beef, okay, then other vegetables. So I want to say something here. You see the pumpkin, if you want you can put it last, okay, because that used to done so quick, like it gets soft so easily. So if you want you can put it last, but me, I prefer mixing everything together, then like pouring everything together, okay, like so. Can see they are all inside the pot already, so I will go ahead now and add water, okay? Make sure you use bottled water, okay? Don't use tap water. So I'm not going to add all the water I need to add here now because as you can see the pot is filled up, so I'll be adding it bit by bit, okay, as we go. Yeah, just cover the pot and allow it to cook. Yeah, as you can see here, yes, it's done. So because I still need more water, okay, from these vegetables, so I will go ahead and add more water, okay? Yeah, if you want you can leave it this way. If you don't want to make use of the water, you want to blend everything, you can leave it this way, okay? But because I want to use the water, you know, while preparing the baby food, so that's why I'm adding more water, okay? So instead of using plain water, I prefer using the water from the vegetable, okay? So you can go ahead and use plain water if you want, okay? Yeah, at this point the vegetable is ready. Keep watching, okay? I'm done blending, so I'm gonna mix everything together right now. So make sure when you finish blending you mix everything together, okay? Like I said, you can make this at home, okay? You can make it at home instead of buying already made from the store. Yeah, you can do this. Trust me, you can do this. So this is it, guys. You can use this to prepare your baby food. Whenever you want to prepare your baby food, you can use this instead of using milk, okay? This is so nutritious. Yeah. So I will be making another video soon to show you guys how you can use these vegetables to prepare your baby food at home, okay? Watch out for that video. Yeah, keep watching so you can see how I store this baby food, okay? As you can see, I have like 4 liters here. Look at it. This is 4 liters container. As you can see, this is 4 liters container. I have 4 liters of this, so I'm going to store them away, put them inside the freezer, so whenever I want to make baby food I can make use of it. This is the container I will be using to store them, okay? This is the bottle I will be using to store them. You can use anything of your choice to store your own, but I prefer using bottle, okay? Yeah, guys, if you are watching to this point, oh my goodness, you are the best. Oh my goodness. Just give it a big thumbs up. Remember to share with family and friends. Don't forget to leave your comment below, okay? If you haven't subscribed already, remember to subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I love you all. You are the best, okay? So over here is the water I got from the vegetable, which I will be using whenever I want to make the baby food, okay? I'll be using this water instead of using plain water. Yeah. Thank you once again for watching till the end, and thank you for being part of my family. Thank you. I appreciate you all, okay? See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이